welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have an exciting haul. I actually went to CVS to pick up some prescription and this is what I found. Now it's funny because I went to CVS about a month ago and these were not on clearance. They just put them out and a lot of these actually I wanted them so badly, but since I'm like a bargain freak and I don't like to pay full price, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait until it goes on clearance. And the funny part is I actually forgot about it, and I don't know, I wasn't even thinking of going back for it to see if it's on clearance. But I'm so glad that I looked through the aisles. Whenever I go to CVS, I always go down the makeup aisle and their seasonal aisle. So they had a lot of Thanksgiving things on sale, which was so exciting for me. I love Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving and Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. But before we begin, I do want to say this. If you guys have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I will be coming out with a lot of videos. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. Dollar Tree come along with me. If you guys love Dollar Tree like me, then click the subscribe button, and I will be coming out with other videos. Just let me know if there's any requests that you guys want me to do a certain type of video. But yeah, today is all about CVS Thanksgiving clearance items. I was so excited, you guys have no idea. I was like, what? When I saw this, I was like, ugh. Okay. So let's get into it, guys, because I feel like I'm just jabbering away. I'm talking too much, and then this video is going to be, I don't know how long. But, hold up. Let me show you. Okay. Look at this thing. Do you guys see this? Do you guys freaking see this? Okay. It says welcome, and it's pumpkins all over. Oh my gosh. And it's actually pretty heavy. Like, it has a heavy weight to it. And this was originally $8.99. And this was on clearance for, let's see, $2.22. No, I'm sorry, $2.25. Seriously? Like, yes. So there was another one that had leaves around it, and I believe it said welcome, and it had this white wooden look to it. It's like this, but it was white. But I didn't pick that up. I was gonna pick it up, but then I was like, no, I don't think I will use it. This is something I've been wanting for a while, so when I seen it, I got so excited. I do also want to get this rug that says Hello Fall, and it's a different style of rug. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really nice. So next, I have this awesome pillow. So they had another pillow. It was more like long, but it wasn't the color that I'm into, so I only got this. I do wish that they had another one like this so I can get two. But oh my gosh, guys, is this not the cutest pillow ever? Does this not scream fall? I love it, especially the acorns. I don't know about you guys, but I have a thing for acorns. Like, it's so gorgeous, and they do kind of pop out. I don't know if you guys can see that. See? And then this kind of does too. It's just gorgeous. I just love this. So this one is originally $7.99, and it was, let's see, it was $1.99. I almost feel like I'm in Dollar Tree getting this stuff because the sales were so good that I couldn't believe it. But you know what? CVS does this whenever they get rid of their seasonal stuff, so you guys might want to look out for that if you're into bargaining like me. So alright, moving on. I got this really cute mug. This owl is so cute. I have a thing for owls. I love owls. Like, owls are my thing. So when I seen this, I swooped it up right away. This was originally $5.99, but I got it for, let's see, how much was this? I think it was $1.25. It was $1.49. So I think that is a really great deal. I actually had my eye on this. I thought it was so cute. They had another owl that was more light, a light color, like a tan color. But the only reason why I didn't get it is because they had this little thing here that kind of like, if you hold it, it will like irritate you. I don't know how to describe it. It was like a little bump. I guess the ceramic, when they made it, they did not make it good. So that would bug me. So I did not pick it up. But I got this one, and I just think this is adorable. There's nothing on this side, it's just this side, which I don't mind. I usually like my mugs to have the design on both sides, but I think this was really made well because his feathers go all the way almost in the back. So it made sense that they didn't put it on both sides. But guys, this is so cute. It's actually a really big mug, like a nice size mug. I like big mugs. I don't like small ones. So when I saw this, I had to get it. Next is this really awesome acorn. So this was originally $6.99. It is a light up ceramic acorn, and let me show you guys. It does work. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it would be so beautiful at night. It would give it a really nice ambiance. But yeah, I got this. Again, I have a thing for acorn. I have a thing for a lot of things, but especially fall. I just love it. It's just so cozy. The colors are beautiful. I just love the colors. And look at this. It is so cute. Okay, so moving on to the next thing. There are acorns as well, but I want to give you guys a quick little story. The reason why I got these. Obviously, I love them because I love acorns and I think they're just freaking awesome. Did I tell you guys the price on this? I don't think so. This was, how much was this? Okay, so this was $1.75. And then these were, how much are you? Okay, so these were originally $2.49, but they were on sale for 62 cents each. What? So they are ceramic. They're gorgeous. And the reason why I got these, aside from me loving them, is because I have two daughters. So my oldest daughter is 13 years old, and my youngest daughter is actually a newborn. She is almost 1 month old, and I think you guys already know where I'm going with this. So this represents me, and these are my daughters. So I'm gonna be putting them next to each other. I know that sounds so weird, maybe for some people, but I'm just like that. I'm like a sentimental freak where I don't know, I just put things in my head and I'm like, yeah, I would like it like that. And because it reminds me of my daughters, that's why I love even more. So I'm like, yes. And it was, I don't know, I have also this thing where if it's the last of those items, I feel like they're meant for me. And since these were the last of these, I was like, yes, it was meant to be. I mean, come on, really? So I had to pick those up. And then next off, let me show you guys this. I love this one so much. I seen it when they barely came out with it, and I really wanted it, but because of the price, I wasn't about to pay $7.99 for it. So that was the regular price. It looks like this. It's a nice little basket, and it has these right here at the side. It says gather, and guys, right? Come on, tell me you don't love this. This was on sale for $1.99. What the heck? Are you serious? So I was really excited about this. I love it. I just think it's so beautiful. And I will show you what I'm gonna put inside of it right now. So hold on. Brace yourselves. So I found these pumpkins. I have 3. So I got these that are like glitter. They're all the same color. These were originally $4.99. And then I got these. I actually got 2 of them. And the reason why I got so many is because I think they were $1.25. Let's see. Yeah. Guys, these are $1.25. Do you know what a great deal these are? If you go to Dollar Tree, you get one of these for $1. And I got, how many are in here? I got 5 for $1.25. So literally they were 25 cents each. These are so awesome. So like I said, I'm going to be placing them in here. Like so. I'm debating on either having it with these or maybe just these right here. It doesn't really matter. Point is, look at these. So that is all, guys. That is all I have from CVS, but I really wanted to share with you guys because I feel like these you have to pick up if you love fall and you love a bargain. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys so that way you can run to CVS and get yours. And hopefully they still have it because when I was there they still had quite a bit. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Please, like I said, if you guys have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I will be doing 3 videos a week. I'm hoping to do maybe 5 a week eventually, but since I have a newborn, it's kind of hard. And right now, as okay, back it up. As I'm recording, my baby girl is actually asleep, so that's why I'm able to record, because if she would be awake, This could not happen right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube notifies you every time there's a new video coming from moi. And yeah, that's basically about it. Until next time, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.